반갑습니다. 영어 문장을 빠르게 해석하고 이해하려면 영어 수거를 많이 알아두셔야 합니다. 바로 시작해 보겠습니다.
Out of one's mind. Mad, crazy.
미친 머리가 돈. 그는 미쳤다.
He is out of his mind.
He is out of his mind.
Out of order. Wrong, broken down.
고장난. 자판기가 고장났다.
The vending machine is out of order.
The vending machine is out of order.
Be different from. Be dissimilar from.
무엇과는 다르다. 이 책은 내가 전에 읽은 책과 다르다.
This book is different from the one I read before.
This book is different from the one I read before.
Be far from. Not at all.
결코 모모하지 않다. 그는 전혀 행복하지 않았다.
He was far from happy.
He was far from happy.
Out of fashion. Behind the fashion.
유행에 뒤진. 그 신발 스타일은 이제 유행이 지났다.
That style of shoes is out of fashion now.
That style of shoes is out of fashion now.
At the sight of. On seeing, at the eyes of.
무엇을 보고. 그녀는 강아지를 보고 미소를 지었다.
She smiled at the sight of the puppy.
She smiled at the sight of the puppy.
Be delighted at. Be pleased at.
뭐뭐에 기뻐하다. 그 소식에 그는 기뻐할 것이다.
He should be delighted at the news.
He should be delighted at the news.
On foot. Walking.
도보로 걸어서. 버스 정류장까지 걸어서 5분이 걸린다.
It takes 5 minutes to go to the bus stop on foot.
It takes 5 minutes to go to the bus stop on foot.
Call at. Visit.
어디를 방문하다. 그는 어제 내 사무실을 방문했다.
He called at my office yesterday.
He called at my office yesterday.
In a mess. Dirty, untidy.
지저분한. 그의 방은 항상 지저분하다.
His room is always in a mess.
His room is always in a mess.
Call on. Visit.
사람을 방문하다. 그녀는 어젯밤에 나를 방문했다.
She called on me last night.
She called on me last night.
On purpose. Intentionally.
일부러 고의로. 그녀는 교통체증을 피하려고 일부러 일찍 출발했다.
She left early on purpose to avoid traffic.
She left early on purpose to avoid traffic.
As a result. As a consequence, consequently.
그 결과로서. 밤새 비가 와서 그 결과 경기가 취소되었다.
It rained all night, and as a result, the game was cancelled.
It rained all night, and as a result, the game was cancelled.
Of consequence. Important, grave.
중요한, 중대한. 그들의 참여는 우리 프로젝트에 중요하다.
Their participation is of consequence to our project.
Their participation is of consequence to our project.
Of no account. Of no importance, trivial.
중요하지 않은, 하찮은. 그녀에게 그의 충고는 중요하지 않다.
His advice was of no account to her.
His advice was of no account to her.
Of one's own accord. Of itself, voluntarily.
자발적으로, 저절로. 그는 자발적으로 그것을 했다고 주장했다.
He insisted he did it of his own accord.
He insisted he did it of his own accord.
Take charge of. Assume the care of.
뭐뭐를 맡다, 담당하다. 그녀는 그 모임의 준비를 맡았다.
She took charge of the arrangements for the meeting.
She took charge of the arrangements for the meeting.
Take hold on. Catch, hold, control.
뭐뭐를 잡다, 붙잡다, 제어하다. 그는 붙잡을 만한 그 어떤 것도 찾을 수 없었다.
He could not find anything to take hold on.
He could not find anything to take hold on.
Put to death. Kill, condemn to death.
누구를 죽이다가 사형에 처하다. 그들은 그 살인범을 사형에 처했다.
They put the murderer to death.
They put the murderer to death.
Keep in touch with. Keep in contact with.
누구와 연락을 유지하다. 그는 그녀와 연락을 유지하려고 노력했다.
He tried to keep in touch with her.
He tried to keep in touch with her.
Keep pace with. Keep up with.
뭐뭐와 보조를 맞추다, 뒤지지 않도록 하다. 그는 남에게 뒤지지 않으려고 열심히 공부했다.
He studied hard to keep pace with others.
He studied hard to keep pace with others.
From hand to mouth. Satisfying only immediate needs.
하루 벌어 하루 먹는. 그들은 생계를 유지하기 위해 겨우 버티며 생활하고 있다.
They leave from hand to mouth, struggling to make ends meet.
They leave from hand to mouth, struggling to make ends meet.
On the run. Chased.
도망하여 쫓기다. 그들은 경찰에게 쫓기고 있다.
They are on the run from the police.
They are on the run from the police.
Run off. Run away.
도망가다. 아이들은 그를 보자 도망쳤다.
The children ran off as they saw him.
The children ran off as they saw him.
For fun. For a joke, in jest, in fun.
장난으로 재미로. 그녀는 재미로 만화책을 읽곤 했다.
She would read a comic book for fun.
She would read a comic book for fun.
For a moment. For a while, just then.
잠깐 동안. 그녀는 잠깐 동안 거기에 서 있었다.
She stood there for a moment.
She stood there for a moment.
For the first time. For the beginning.
처음으로. 그는 그녀에 대해 생애 처음으로 뭔가 특별한 것을 느꼈다.
He felt something special about her for the first time in his life.
He felt something special about her for the first time in his life.
Keep A from B. Prevent A from B.
A에게 B를 못하게 하다. 비 때문에 그녀는 밖에서 운동을 못했다.
The rain kept her from working out.
The rain kept her from working out.
Not a few. Many, a lot of.
적지 않은. 많은 사람이 그 모임에 참여했다.
Not a few people participated in the meeting.
Not a few people participated in the meeting.
Take a rest. Have a rest, relax.
휴식하다. 잠시 휴식하는 것이 좋겠다.
You had better take a rest for a moment.
You had better take a rest for a moment.
Take a walk. Go for a walk.
산책하다. 그녀는 매일 아침 공원에서 산책한다.
She takes a walk in the park every morning.
She takes a walk in the park every morning.
Agree on. Consent to, assent to.
의견이 일치하다. 나는 그 문제에서 그와 의견이 일치했다.
I agreed on the matter with him.
I agreed on the matter with him.
Agree to. Consent to.
뭐뭐에 동의하다, 찬성하다. 그들은 나의 제안에 동의했다.
They agreed to my proposal.
They agreed to my proposal.
Agree with. Be consistent with. Match.
누구누구에 동의하다, 찬성하다. 그 문제에 관해서 그들은 나와 동의했다.
They agreed with me on that matter.
They agreed with me on that matter.
In demand. In request.
수요가 있는. 휴가철에는 자동차 수요가 아주 많다.
Automobiles are in great demand in vacation season.
Automobiles are in great demand in vacation season.
In detail. At length, fully.
자세히. 우리는 너무 바빠서 그것을 자세히 설명할 수 없었다.
We were too busy to explain it in detail.
We were too busy to explain it in detail.
In despair. Hopelessly.
절망하여. 그 노인은 절망하여 자살을 시도했다.
The old man tried to commit suicide in despair.
The old man tried to commit suicide in despair.
As long as. Only if, on condition that.
모모하는 한. 당신이 원하는 한 여기에 머무를 수 있다.
You can stay here as long as you want.
You can stay here as long as you want.
By means of. By way of, by dint of.
뭐뭐에 의하여 뭐뭐의 힘으로. 그는 그들의 도움으로 성공할 수 있었다.
He could succeed by means of their help.
He could succeed by means of their help.
Be willing to. Be ready to.
기꺼이 뭐뭐하다. 그는 기꺼이 파티에 갈 것이다.
He is willing to go to the party.
He is willing to go to the party.
Out of danger. Out of risk.
위험을 벗어나. 이제 그들 모두 위험을 벗어났다.
All of them are out of danger now.
All of them are out of danger now.
Be contrary to. Be opposite to, go against.
뭐뭐에 반대되다 어긋나다. 그의 모습은 그들의 기대에 어긋났다.
His appearance was contrary to their expectations.
His appearance was contrary to their expectations.
At the cost of. At the expense of, at the price of.
뭐뭐를 희생하여. 그 국민은 많은 생명을 희생하여 독립을 얻었다.
The people got their independence at the cost of numberless lives.
The people got their independence at the cost of numberless lives.
At the mercy of. Completely in the power of.
뭐뭐의 처분대로 뭐뭐에 좌우되어. 그 국민은 독재자에게 완전히 지배되었다.
The people were at the mercy of the dictator.
The people were at the mercy of the dictator.
Be ashamed of. Be shy of, feel shy of.
뭐뭐를 부끄러워하다. 그녀는 아들의 행동을 부끄러워했다.
She was ashamed of her son's behavior.
She was ashamed of her son's behavior.
Associate with. Meet with, be involved with.
누구와 사귀다 무엇과 관련짓다. 그는 새 친구들과 사귀기를 좋아한다.
He likes to associate with new friends.
He likes to associate with new friends.
At times. Sometimes.
가끔. 그는 가끔 그녀에게 전화했다.
He called her at times.
He called her at times.
Substitute A for B. Replace A with B.
A를 B 대신으로 쓰다. 그는 테이블을 책상 대신으로 사용했다.
He substituted a table for desk.
He substituted a table for desk.
Be wrong with. Be out of order, be bad at.
무엇이 고장이다. 무엇이 좋지 않다. 그의 컴퓨터에 무언가 고장이 있었다.
Something was wrong with his computer.
Something was wrong with his computer.
Lay off. Fire, dismiss.
일시 해고시키다. 그 회사는 노동자를 일시 해고시킬 예정이다.
The company is going to lay off its workers.
The company is going to lay off its workers.
Make little of. Slight, look down on.
누구누구를 경시하다 얕보다. 그는 가난한 사람들을 얕본다.
He make little of poors.
He make little of poors.
Come of age. Come of age.
성년이 되다. 그는 성년이 되면 차를 살 것이다.
He's going to buy a car when he comes of age.
He's going to buy a car when he comes of age.
Give attention to. Take notice of, beware of.
뭐뭐를 주의하다. 그는 내 충고에 주목도 하지 않았다.
He didn't give attention to my advice.
He didn't give attention to my advice.
Take account of. Consider, heed.
뭐뭐를 고려하다 주의하다. 너는 그들의 팀워크를 고려해야 할 것이다.
You shall have to take account of their teamwork.
You shall have to take account of their teamwork.
Take advantage of. Utilize, make use of.
뭐뭐를 이용하다 속이다. 그녀는 그 기회를 이용했다.
She took advantage of that opportunity.
She took advantage of that opportunity.
Prevent A from B. Keep A from B.
A에게서 B를 못하게 하다. 교통사고 때문에 그는 여기에 오지 못했다.
The traffic accident prevented him from coming here.
The traffic accident prevented him from coming here.
Prohibit A from B. Inhibit A from B.
A에게서 B를 금하다. 그는 아들이 혼자서 밖으로 나가는 것을 금지했다.
He prohibited his son from going out by himself.
He prohibited his son from going out by himself.
Have a sense of. Understand.
감각이 있다 이해하다. 그 젊은 사람은 유머 감각을 가지고 있다.
The young man has a sense of humor.
The young man has a sense of humor.
Make a point of ing. Make it a rule to.
반드시 뭐뭐를 하다. 그녀는 항상 신문을 읽는다.
She made a point of reading a newspaper.
She made a point of reading a newspaper.
Out of date. No longer valid.
유효기간이 지난. 그의 여권은 유효기간이 지난 것이다.
His passport was out of date.
His passport was out of date.
Fill out. Fill out.
서류에 기입하다. 그는 응모 서류에 기입하고 있다.
He is filling out the application form.
He is filling out the application form.
Answer back. Reply in a rude way.
말대꾸하다. 그는 선생님에게 말대꾸했다.
He answered back to the teacher.
He answered back to the teacher.
Be similar to. Be alike to, resemble.
뭐뭐와 비슷하다. 그의 의견은 내 의견과 비슷했다.
His opinion was similar to mine.
His opinion was similar to mine.
Be suitable for. Be proper for, be fit for.
뭐뭐에 적당하다 알맞다. 그 집은 파티를 열기에 알맞았다.
The house was suitable for holding a party.
The house was suitable for holding a party.
At first sight. At a glance, seemingly.
언뜻 보기에는 언뜻 보기에 그녀는 무척 젊어 보였다.
At first sight, she looked so young.
At first sight, she looked so young.
Accord with. Correspond to, match.
일치하다. 그의 행동은 그의 말과 일치하지 않는다.
His actions don't accord with his words.
His actions don't accord with his words.
Be anxious for. Be eager for, long for.
뭐뭐를 갈망하다. 그들은 성공을 갈망한다.
They are anxious for their success.
They are anxious for their success.
Have regard for. Respect, esteem.
누구를 존중하다 중시하다. 그는 그녀의 의견을 존중한다.
He has a regard for her opinion.
He has a regard for her opinion.
Have trouble with. Have difficulty in.
고통을 받다 곤란을 겪다. 그는 복통으로 고통받았다.
He had a trouble with his stomachache.
He had a trouble with his stomachache.
Consist of. Be composed of.
뭐뭐로 이루어지다. 분자는 원자라는 입자로 구성된다.
The molecule consists of particles called atoms.
The molecule consists of particles called atoms.
Consist with. Accord with.
뭐뭐와 일치하다 양립하다. 그들의 의견은 서로 간에 일치했다.
Their opinions consisted with one another.
Their opinions consisted with one another.
Lose one's temper. Get angry, get mad.
화내다. 그녀는 그에게 화를 냈다.
She lost her temper with him.
She lost her temper with him.
Neither A nor B. Neither A nor B.
A도 아니고 B도 아니다. 그녀도 그도 그 모임에 가지 않았다.
Neither she nor he went to the meeting.
Neither she nor he went to the meeting.
Out of use. No longer used.
사용되지 않는. 요즘에는 그것들 대부분은 사용되지 않는다.
Most of them are out of use these days.
Most of them are out of use these days.
Out of work. Out of job, unemployed.
실직하여. 그는 1년이 넘도록 실직해 있다.
He has been out of work for over a year.
He has been out of work for over a year.
Of a kind. Of a sort.
같은 종류의 일종의. 저 원숭이들은 모두 같은 종류이다.
Those monkeys are all of a kind.
Those monkeys are all of a kind.
Step aside. Turn aside.
옆으로 비키다. 그는 그녀의 차가 지나가도록 옆으로 비켰다.
He stepped aside to give way to her car.
He stepped aside to give way to her car.
Stop A from B. Halt A from B.
A에게서 B를 그만두게 하다. 그는 그녀가 그의 방으로 들어오는 것을 그만두게 했다.
He stopped her from coming into his room.
He stopped her from coming into his room.
Take pride in. Be proud of.
뭐뭐를 자랑하다. 그는 자기 아들을 자랑하였다.
He took pride in his son.
He took pride in his son.
Take root. Strike root.
뿌리 내리다. 장미가 정원에 뿌리를 내렸다.
The rose has taken root in the garden.
The rose has taken root in the garden.
Bank on. Depend on, rely on.
뭐뭐에 의지하다. 그는 항상 친구들에게 지원을 기대합니다.
He always banks on his friends for support.
He always banks on his friends for support.
Save A from B. Rescue A from B.
B에서 A를 구하다. 그 경찰관은 사고에서 한 소녀를 구했다.
The policeman saved a girl from the accident.
The policeman saved a girl from the accident.
In response to. In answer to, in reply to.
뭐뭐에 응답하여 대응하여. 그녀의 농담에 답하여 그는 웃었습니다.
He smiled in response to her joke.
He smiled in response to her joke.
Search into. Investigate, look into.
뭐뭐를 조사하다. 탐정은 그 사건을 조사하기 시작했습니다.
The detective began to search into the case.
The detective began to search into the case.
Search out. Seek out.
찾아내다. 그는 마을에서 가장 좋은 식당을 찾아보려 했습니다.
He tried to search out the best place to eat in town.
He tried to search out the best place to eat in town.
In touch with. In contact with.
뭐뭐와 접촉하여, 교제하여, 연락하여. 그녀는 어제 옛 친구와 연락했다.
She got in touch with her old friend yesterday.
She got in touch with her old friend yesterday.
Of value. Valuable, precious.
가치 있는 귀중한. 이 오래된 책은 수집가들에게 가치가 있습니다.
This old book is of value to collectors.
This old book is of value to collectors.
To the backbone. To the core.
순수하게 완전히 속속들이. 그는 완전히 정직합니다.
He is honest to the backbone.
He is honest to the backbone.
Be jealous of. Be envious of.
부러워하다, 질투하다. 그녀는 친구의 새 차를 부러워한다.
She is jealous of her friend's new car.
She is jealous of her friend's new car.
Have only to. Have only to.
뭐뭐 하기만 하면 된다. 그녀는 나가기 위해 숙제를 끝내기만 하면 된다.
She has only to finish her homework to go out.
She has only to finish her homework to go out.
Have to. Must.
뭐뭐 해야 한다. 그녀는 저녁 식사 전에 숙제를 끝내야 한다.
She has to finish her homework before dinner.
She has to finish her homework before dinner.
Hear from. Receive a letter from.
소식을 듣다, 편지를 받다. 제인에게서 파티에 관한 소식을 들었니?
Did you hear from Jane about the party?
Did you hear from Jane about the party?
Of oneself. Alone, naturally.
혼자서 저절로. 그는 아플 때 스스로 잘 돌봤다.
He took care of himself while he was sick.
He took care of himself while he was sick.
Not only A but also B. Not only A but also B.
A뿐만 아니라 B도. 그녀는 똑똑할 뿐만 아니라 친절하다.
She is not only smart but also kind.
She is not only smart but also kind.
Look for. Search for. Expect.
찾다, 기대하다. 그녀는 매일 아침 책을 찾는다.
She looks for her book every morning.
She looks for her book every morning.
Step by step. Steadily.
한 걸음씩 단계별로. 우리는 문제를 단계별로 해결할 것이다.
We will solve the problem step by step.
We will solve the problem step by step.
Side by side. In parallel, close together.
나란히 병행하여. 아이들은 벤치에 나란히 앉았습니다.
The children sat side by side on the bench.
The children sat side by side on the bench.
Look out. Watch out, be careful.
주의하다, 밖을 내다보다. 길을 건널 때 차를 조심하세요.
Look out for cars when you cross the street.
Look out for cars when you cross the street.
Look out on. Face.
어디에 면하다, 어디를 바라보고 있다. 그녀의 창문은 아름다운 정원을 바라본다.
Her window looks out on a beautiful garden.
Her window looks out on a beautiful garden.
Look away from. Look away from.
외면하다, 눈을 돌리다. 그는 무서운 영화 장면에서 눈을 돌렸다.
He looked away from the scary movie scene.
He looked away from the scary movie scene.
Live on. Feed on.
먹고 살다 주식으로 하다. 그녀는 과일과 채소로 이루어진 식단으로 살고 있다.
She lives on a diet of fruits and vegetables.
She lives on a diet of fruits and vegetables.
Live up to. Act up to.
기대에 맞추어 살다, 기대에 부응하며 살다. 그녀는 부모님의 기대에 부응하려고 노력했다.
She tried to live up to her parents' expectations.
She tried to live up to her parents' expectations.
Make fun of. Tease.
놀리다 조롱하다. 그들은 그의 우스꽝스러운 춤 동작을 놀렸다.
They made fun of his silly dance moves.
They made fun of his silly dance moves.
Make haste. Hurry up.
서두르다. 버스를 타기 위해 서둘러야 한다.
We need to make haste to catch the bus.
We need to make haste to catch the bus.
Make money. Earn money.
돈을 벌다. 그는 새로운 사업을 시작해서 돈을 벌고 싶어 한다.
He wants to make money by starting a new business.
He wants to make money by starting a new business.
Die from. Decease from.
상처나 부주의로 죽다. 그녀는 감염으로 죽을까봐 두려워했다.
She was afraid she might die from the infection.
She was afraid she might die from the infection.
In spite of oneself. Unconsciously.
자기도 모르게 무심코. 그는 진지한 회의 중에도 불구하고 자신도 모르게 웃었다.
He laughed in spite of himself during the serious meeting.
He laughed in spite of himself during the serious meeting.
By the time. By the time.
뭐뭐 할 때까지 뭐뭐 때쯤에. 우리가 도착할 때쯤 영화는 이미 시작되었다.
By the time we arrived, the movie had already started.
By the time we arrived, the movie had already started.
Be able to. Can. Be capable of.
뭐뭐 할 수 있다. 그녀는 세 가지 언어를 말할 수 있다.
She is able to speak 3 languages.
She is able to speak 3 languages.
Be about to. Be on the point of ing.
뭐뭐 할 찰나에 있다. 뭐뭐 하려 하다. 우리는 집을 나설 참이다.
We are about to leave the house.
We are about to leave the house.
Be afraid of. Be fearful of.
두려워하다, 무서워하다. 그녀는 거미를 무서워한다.
She is afraid of spiders.
She is afraid of spiders.
Derive from. Originate from.
유래하다. 이 단어는 라틴어에서 유래했다.
This word derives from Latin.
This word derives from Latin.
Pay a visit to. Visit. Pay a call at.
어디를 방문하다. 그녀는 새 박물관을 방문할 계획이다.
She plans to pay a visit to the new museum.
She plans to pay a visit to the new museum.
In fact. As a matter of fact.
실제로 사실상. 어려울 거라고 생각했지만 사실은 쉬웠다.
I thought it would be difficult, but in fact, it was easy.
I thought it would be difficult, but in fact, it was easy.
Pray for. Hope very much.
빌다, 기도하다, 간절히 원하다. 그녀는 가족의 건강을 위해 기도했다.
She prayed for her family's health.
She prayed for her family's health.
Point out. Indicate.
지적하다. 그녀는 내 에세이에서 실수를 지적했다.
She pointed out the mistake in my essay.
She pointed out the mistake in my essay.
In haste. In a hurry.
서둘러 급히. 그녀는 서둘러 집을 나서면서 열쇠를 잊었다.
She left the house in haste and forgot her keys.
She left the house in haste and forgot her keys.
In private. Privately, off the record.
사적으로 은밀히 비공식적으로. 그녀는 그 문제를 사적으로 논의하기를 선호한다.
She prefers to discuss the matter in private.
She prefers to discuss the matter in private.
In public. In company.
사람들 앞에서 공공연히. 그녀는 사람들 앞에서 말하는 것을 좋아하지 않는다.
She doesn't like speaking in public.
She doesn't like speaking in public.
Out of breath. Breathlessly.
숨을 헐떡이며 숨이 차다. 그녀는 계단을 뛰어오른 후 숨이 찼다.
She was out of breath after running up the stairs.
She was out of breath after running up the stairs.
Out of question. Without doubt.
의심도 없이 틀림없이. 그녀가 팀에서 최고의 선수라는 것은 의심의 여지가 없다.
It is out of question that she is the best player on the team.
It is out of question that she is the best player on the team.
Out of the question. Impossible.
불가능한 고려할 가치가 없는. 이번 달에 휴가를 가는 것은 불가능하다.
Going on vacation this month is out of the question.
Going on vacation this month is out of the question.
In store. In store.
저장하여 준비하여. 우리는 내 생일을 위해 서프라이즈를 준비해 두었다.
We have a surprise in store for your birthday.
We have a surprise in store for your birthday.
In time. Not late, in good time.
시간에 맞게 제 시간에. 우리는 비행기 시간에 맞춰 공항에 도착했다.
We arrived at the airport just in time for our flight.
We arrived at the airport just in time for our flight.
In reality. In fact,
사실은 실제로. 영화는 흥미로웠지만 사실은 좀 지루했다.
the movie was exciting, but in reality, it was a bit boring.
The movie was exciting, but in reality, it was a bit boring.
In short. In a word, in brief.
한마디로 말해서. 그녀는 매우 재능이 있습니다. 한마디로 말해, 그녀는 훌륭합니다.
She is very talented. In short, she is amazing.
She is very talented. In short, she is amazing.
Be reputed for. Be famous for.
뭐뭐로 유명하다. 그 식당은 맛있는 피자로 유명하다.
The restaurant is reputed for its delicious pizza.
The restaurant is reputed for its delicious pizza.
Refrain from. Abstain from. Forbear.
뭐뭐를 삼가다 자제하다. 영화 중에는 대화를 자제해 주세요.
Please refrain from talking during the movie.
Please refrain from talking during the movie.
At ease. Comfortably.
편하게 마음 편히. 여기서 편안하게 휴식을 취하고 느긋하게 지낼 수 있다.
You can relax and feel at ease here.
You can relax and feel at ease here.
Out of sorts. Not well.
기분이 좋지 않은 불쾌하여. 그는 좋아하는 TV 쇼를 놓친 후 기분이 좋지 않았다.
He was out of sorts after missing his favorite TV show.
He was out of sorts after missing his favorite TV show.
Make a fuss of. Make a fuss over.
안달하다, 귀여워하다, 칭찬하다. 그는 사람들이 자신의 성과를 칭찬해 줄 때 좋아한다.
He likes it when people make a fuss of his achievements.
He likes it when people make a fuss of his achievements.
Gain weight. Put on weight.
체중이 늘다. 너무 많은 정크푸드를 먹으면 체중이 늘 수 있다.
If you eat too much junk food, you might gain weight.
If you eat too much junk food, you might gain weight.
As to. In terms of.
뭐뭐에 대해서는. 나는 회의 시간에 대해 질문이 있다.
I have a question as to the meeting time.
I have a question as to the meeting time.
Fall behind. Drop behind.
뭐뭐에 뒤처지다. 공부하지 않으면 수업에서 뒤처질 수 있다.
If you don't study, you might fall behind in class.
If you don't study, you might fall behind in class.
Go over. Examine.
검토하다, 조사하다, 다시 보다. 그녀는 시험 전에 노트를 다시 봐야 한다.
She needs to go over her notes before the exam.
She needs to go over her notes before the exam.
Case by case. One thing by one thing.
개별적으로. 의사는 치료를 개별적으로 결정한다.
The doctor decides the treatment case by case.
The doctor decides the treatment case by case.
Little by little. Bit by bit, gradually.
조금씩 서서히. 정원이 조금씩 자라고 있다.
The garden is growing little by little.
The garden is growing little by little.
Day by day. From day to day, day after day.
나날이. 그녀는 날마다 더 강해지고 있다.
She is getting stronger day by day.
She is getting stronger day by day.
One after another. In order, in turn.
차례로 하나씩. 아이들은 차례로 놀이기구를 탔다.
The children went on the rides one after another.
The children went on the rides one after another.
One after the other. By turns, alternately.
연이어 번갈아. 학생들은 번갈아 시험지를 제출했다.
The students handed in their papers one after the other.
The students handed in their papers one after the other.
Arm in arm. With folded arms.
팔짱을 끼고. 그들은 공원에서 팔짱을 끼고 걸었다.
They walked arm in arm through the park.
They walked arm in arm through the park.
In any event. In any case.
아무튼 어쨌든. 공원에 가지 않을 수도 있지만 어쨌든 우리는 즐거운 시간을 보낼 것이다.
We might not go to the park, but in any event, we will have fun.
We might not go to the park, but in any event, we will have fun.
Buckle up. Fasten with a buckle.
안전벨트를 매다. 차가 출발하기 전에 안전벨트를 매세요.
Before we start the car, make sure to buckle up.
Before we start the car, make sure to buckle up.
Enjoy oneself. Have a good time.
즐겁게 지내다. 그녀는 어젯밤 파티에서 즐거운 시간을 보냈다.
She enjoyed herself at the party last night.
She enjoyed herself at the party last night.
Kill time. Pass away time.
시간을 보내다 소일하다. 버스를 기다리는 동안 시간을 보내기 위해 책을 읽었다.
I read a book to kill time while waiting for the bus.
I read a book to kill time while waiting for the bus.
Apart from. Aside from.
이외에도. 피자 외에도 그는 파스타를 좋아한다.
Apart from pizza, he also likes pasta.
Apart from pizza, he also likes pasta.
Die of. Die of.
병, 노령으로 죽다. 그는 심장마비로 사망했다.
He died of a heart attack.
He died of a heart attack.
Die out. Disappear, die away.
모두 죽어버리다 사라지다. 공룡들은 수백만 년 전에 멸종했다.
Dinosaurs died out millions of years ago.
Dinosaurs died out millions of years ago.
More and more. Still more, all the more.
더욱더 점점 더. 그녀는 매일 더 많이 공부하고 있다.
She is studying more and more each day.
She is studying more and more each day.
Have in mind. Think.
뭐뭐를 생각하다. 우리는 저녁을 먹을 식당을 생각해 두었다.
I have a restaurant in mind for our dinner.
I have a restaurant in mind for our dinner.
Be angry with. Get mad at.
누구에게 화내다. 그는 친구가 늦은 것에 대해 화가 났다.
He was angry with his friend for being late.
He was angry with his friend for being late.
Be angry about. Be mad at.
뭐뭐에 화내다. 그는 보고서의 실수에 화가 났다.
He was angry about the mistake in the report.
He was angry about the mistake in the report.
Be crowded with. Be full of.
붐비다 만원이다. 공원은 주말에 사람들로 붐빈다.
The park is crowded with people on weekends.
The park is crowded with people on weekends.
Go on. Keep on.
계속하다. 비가 오더라도 쇼는 계속된다.
The show will go on despite the rain.
The show will go on despite the rain.
Get on. Get on.
어디에 타다. 나는 다음 정거장에서 버스를 타야 한다.
I need to get on the bus at the next stop.
I need to get on the bus at the next stop.
After all. Finally, at last.
결국 우리는 해변에 가기로 결정했다.
We decided to go to the beach after all.
We decided to go to the beach after all.
Be free from. Not at all.
조금도 모모하지 않다. 청소 후에 집은 먼지에서 깨끗해졌다.
The house is free from dust after cleaning.
The house is free from dust after cleaning.
Year after year. Every year.
매년. 정원은 해마다 아름답게 꽃이 핀다.
The garden blooms beautifully year after year.
The garden blooms beautifully year after year.
Be interested in. Have interest in.
뭐뭐에 관심이 있다. 그는 기타 연주에 관심이 있다.
He is interested in playing the guitar.
He is interested in playing the guitar.
At the same time. At once, simultaneously.
동시에. 그녀는 책을 읽으면서 TV를 동시에 보고 있었다.
She was reading a book and watching TV at the same time.
She was reading a book and watching TV at the same time.
Fly off the handle. Fly off the handle.
자제력을 잃다 화내다. 그는 그들이 욕을 하자 화를 냈다.
He flied off the handle when they call him names.
He flied off the handle when they call him names.
Jack up. Raise, increase.
값을 올리다. 그들은 기름값을 올리려고 한다.
They are going to jack up the oil price.
They are going to jack up the oil price.
All the same. Of no difference.
마찬가지인 상관없는. 그가 거기에 갔건 안 갔건 그녀에게는 상관없다.
It's all the same to her whether he goes there or not.
It's all the same to her whether he goes there or not.
Out of the way. Out of hindrance, unusual.
방해가 되지 않게 옆으로 우회하여 유별난. 그것들을 옆으로 치워주세요.
Please keep them out of the way.
Please keep them out of the way.
A lot of. A lot of.
많은. 그는 사업상 문제가 많아 보인다.
He seems to have a lot of trouble in his business.
He seems to have a lot of trouble in his business.
Run the risk of. Take the risk of.
무엇의 위험을 무릅쓰다. 그는 그들의 함정에 빠질 수 있는 위험을 무릅썼다.
He ran the risk of falling into their trap.
He ran the risk of falling into their trap.
In pursuit of. In quest of, in search of.
무엇을 추구하여 무엇을 찾아. 경찰은 그 강도를 쫓고 있다.
The police is in pursuit of the burglar.
The police is in pursuit of the burglar.
Stand up to. Face boldly, bear up against.
뭐뭐에 용감히 대항하다, 뭐뭐에 견디어내다. 그녀는 그들의 계속되는 위협에 용감히 대항했다.
She stood up bravely to their continuous threat.
She stood up bravely to their continuous threat.
Speak out. Speak freely, speak loudly.
거침없이 말하다, 큰 소리로 말하다. 그는 회사 방침에 대해서 거침없이 말했다.
He spoke out about the company's policy.
He spoke out about the company's policy.
Speak of. Mention, refer to.
무엇을 언급하다. 그는 그 나라의 국방에 대해서 언급하고 있다.
He is speaking of the country's national defense.
He is speaking of the country's national defense.
A piece of cake. Very easy.
식은 죽 먹기. 그 시험은 식은 죽 먹기였다.
The exam was a piece of cake.
The exam was a piece of cake.
In favor of. In behalf of, in the interest of.
찬성하여 편들어 대신하여. 그들은 그의 제안에 찬성하고 있다.
They are in favor of his proposal.
They are in favor of his proposal.
In honor of. In celebration of, paying one's respects to.
뭐뭐를 축하하여 뭐뭐의 경의를 표하며. 그 거리는 위대한 과학자를 기념하여 찰스가로 명명되었다.
The street was named Charles Street in honor of a great scientist.
The street was named Charles Street in honor of a great scientist.
Go out of the rut. Go out of the rut.
관례를 깨다. 그에게는 관례를 깨는 것이 쉽지 않았다.
It was not easy for him to go out of the rut.
It was not easy for him to go out of the rut.
At hand. Nearby, close.
바로 가까이, 바로 곁에. 그는 항상 사전을 곁에 두고 있다.
He always keep the dictionary at hand.
He always keep the dictionary at hand.
For some reason. For some reason.
어떤 이유에서인지. 어떤 이유에서인지 그는 회의에 참석하지 않았다.
For some reason, he did not attend the meeting.
For some reason, he did not attend the meeting.
Look forward to. Wait for with pleasure.
기대하다, 기다리다. 그들은 그녀를 보게 될 때를 기대하고 있다.
They are looking forward to seeing her.
They are looking forward to seeing her.
Lose face. Lose face.
면목을 잃다. 그는 많은 실수를 저지른 후 면목이 없어졌다.
He lost face after making too many mistakes.
He lost face after making too many mistakes.
Lose heart. Be discouraged, lose vigor.
낙담하다, 기력을 잃다. 그녀는 그 장면을 보고 낙담했다.
She lost heart at the scene.
She lost heart at the scene.
At any moment. At any time, immediately.
언제라도 당장이라도. 그는 언제라도 올 수 있다.
He may come at any moment.
He may come at any moment.
At any rate. Anyway, anyhow, in any case.
어쨌든 하여간에. 그들은 어쨌든 정시에 거기에 도착해야 했다.
They had to get there on time at any rate.
They had to get there on time at any rate.
In particular. Particularly, in detail, at length.
특히 상세히. 그녀는 특히 그 가운데 하나를 언급했다.
She mentioned one of them in particular.
She mentioned one of them in particular.
From place to place. Here and there.
이리저리로 여기저기로. 그녀의 가족은 여기저기 이사를 다녔다.
Her family moved from place to place.
Her family moved from place to place.
From side to side. Right and left, sidelong.
좌우로 옆으로. 보트가 좌우로 요동쳤다.
The boat rolled from side to side.
The boat rolled from side to side.
From time to time. Sometimes, at times.
때때로. 그는 그녀를 때때로 만났다.
He met her from time to time.
He met her from time to time.
On business. On affairs.
업무차 볼일로. 그는 업무차 뉴욕으로 갔다.
He has gone to New York on business.
He has gone to New York on business.
On duty. At one's work.
근무 중인 당번인. 나는 내일 당번이다.
I'm on duty tomorrow.
I'm on duty tomorrow.
From beginning to end. From start to finish.
처음부터 끝까지. 그 책은 처음부터 끝까지 재미있다.
The book is interesting from start to end.
The book is interesting from start to end.
As if. As if.
마치 뭐뭐인 것처럼. 그녀는 영어를 원어민처럼 유창하게 한다.
She speaks English as fluently as if she were a native speaker.
She speaks English as fluently as if she were a native speaker.
Make a call on. Visit. Call on.
방문하다. 그들은 지난주에 그를 방문했다.
They made a call on him last week.
They made a call on him last week.
Make a fool of. Play a trick on.
무엇을 웃음거리로 하다 놀리다. 그들은 그 소년을 웃음거리로 만들었다.
They made a fool of the boy.
They made a fool of the boy.
Make a mistake. Make a blunder.
잘못 생각하다 실수를 하다. 그녀는 계산에서 실수를 했다.
The woman made a mistake in counting.
The woman made a mistake in counting.
Make a noise. Raise a clamor.
떠들다 소란을 일으키다. 아이들이 뒷마당에서 떠들고 있다.
The children are making a noise in the backyard.
The children are making a noise in the backyard.
Make a promise. Make an appointment.
약속하다. 그들은 그녀를 돕겠다고 약속했다.
They made a promise to help her.
They made a promise to help her.
Make a speech. Give a speech.
연설하다. 그는 광장에서 연설했다.
He made a speech in the square.
He made a speech in the square.
Go after. Pursue, seek after.
뭐뭐를 추구하다. 나는 그가 무엇을 추구하고 있는지 모르겠다.
I wonder what he is going after.
I wonder what he is going after.
Catch up with. Overtake, gain on.
뭐뭐를 따라잡다. 그는 친구들을 따라잡으려고 열심히 공부했다.
He studied so hard as to catch up with his classmates.
He studied so hard as to catch up with his classmates.
For the time being. For the present, at this moment.
당분간 우선 현재는. 당분간 그는 호텔에 머물 작정이다.
He is going to stay at a hotel for the time being.
He is going to stay at a hotel for the time being.
At all times. Constantly, always.
항상 언제나. 그 젊은이는 항상 행복해 보였다.
The young man looked happy at all times.
The young man looked happy at all times.
Hand in hand. Holding others' hands.
손을 맞잡고 협력하여. 그들은 손을 맞잡고 트랙을 따라 행진했다.
They paraded along the track hand in hand.
They paraded along the track hand in hand.
Ask for. Request. Seek after.
뭐뭐를 요구하다. 그들은 그 부자에게 몸값을 요구했다.
They asked for ransom to the rich man.
They asked for ransom to the rich man.
But for. Without.
무엇이 없으면. 그의 도움이 없다면 그녀는 그 일을 끝내지 못할 것이다.
But for his assistance she couldn't finish the work.
But for his assistance she couldn't finish the work.
At a glance. At first sight.
첫눈에. 그는 첫눈에 나를 알아보았다.
He recognized me at a glance.
He recognized me at a glance.
Make efforts. Exert oneself.
노력하다. 그는 되도록 빨리 일을 끝내려고 노력했다.
He made efforts to finish his work as soon as possible.
He made efforts to finish his work as soon as possible.
Face to face. Looking towards each other.
얼굴을 맞대고 연속적인. 그는 당신과 얼굴을 맞대고 대화하기를 원했다.
He wanted to have a talk with you face to face.
He wanted to have a talk with you face to face.
Back to back. Successively.
등을 맞대고 연속적인. 그의 집은 그녀의 집과 등을 맞대고 있었다.
His house was back to back with her.
His house was back to back with her.
Carry out. Perform, accomplish.
실행하다, 성취하다. 그들은 그들의 계획을 성공적으로 실행했다.
They successfully carried out their plan.
They successfully carried out their plan.
Pull off. Succeed in, make a success of.
성공하다, 완성하다. 폭우에도 불구하고 그들은 그 행사를 성공리에 끝냈다.
In spite of the heavy rain, they pulled off the event.
In spite of the heavy rain, they pulled off the event.
Depend on. Rely on, count on.
무엇을 믿다, 의지하다. 그녀는 항상 아버지의 도움에 의지한다.
She always depends on her father's assistance.
She always depends on her father's assistance.
Turn on. Turn on.
켜다, 틀다. 라디오를 켜주세요.
Please turn on the radio.
Please turn on the radio.
Turn off. Turn off.
끄다, 잠그다. 라디오를 꺼주세요.
Please turn off the radio.
Please turn off the radio.
Up to date. Up to date.
최신식의 유행에. 그는 최신식 디지털 캠코더를 가지고 있다.
He has a up-to-date digital camcorder.
He has a up-to-date digital camcorder.
Out of date. Out of date.
구식의 유행에 뒤떨어지는. 그는 구식차를 운전하고 있다.
He is driving an out-of-date car.
He is driving an out-of-date car.
Go out of fashion. Out of vogue.
한물 가다 유행에 뒤떨어지다. 이런 종류의 재킷은 한물 간 것이다.
This sort of jacket has gone out of fashion.
This sort of jacket has gone out of fashion.
Do one's best. Try one's best.
최선을 다하다, 전력을 다하다. 그녀는 그를 설득하려고 최선을 다했다.
She did her best to persuade him.
She did her best to persuade him.
Up to. To a maximum number of.
뭐뭐까지 최대한. 내 차에 최대 7명까지 태울 수 있다.
I can take up to 7 people in my car.
I can take up to 7 people in my car.
In advance. Beforehand.
미리. 그들은 홍수에 미리 대비했어야 했다.
They had to prepare for the flood in advance.
They had to prepare for the flood in advance.
Ask after. Inquire after.
안부를 묻다. 그는 항상 당신의 안부를 묻는다.
He always asks after you.
He always asks after you.
Ask A for B. Demand B of A.
A에게 B를 요구하다. 그는 그녀에게 약간의 돈을 요구했다.
He asked her for some money.
He asked her for some money.
Ask A off B. Beg A off B.
A를 B에게 부탁하다. 제가 당신에게 부탁을 해도 되겠습니까?
May I ask a favor of you?
May I ask a favor of you?
Keep an eye on. Watch, observe.
뭐뭐를 지켜보다 감시하다. 그는 그녀를 지켜보았다.
He kept an eye on her.
He kept an eye on her.
Insist on. Persist in, assert.
뭐뭐를 주장하다. 그는 새 교량의 중요성을 주장했다.
He insisted on the importance of a new bridge.
He insisted on the importance of a new bridge.
By oneself. Alone, without help.
혼자서 혼자 힘으로. 그는 그 일을 혼자서 끝냈다.
He has finished the work by himself.
He has finished the work by himself.
Beside oneself. Out of one's mind, almost mad.
제정신이 아닌 실성할 정도로. 그들은 기뻐서 제정신이 아니었다.
They were beside themselves with joy.
They were beside themselves with joy.
One by one. Singly in succession.
하나씩 한 사람씩. 선생님은 한 사람씩 그들의 이름을 불렀다.
The teacher called their names one by one.
The teacher called their names one by one.
For oneself. On one's own.
혼자 힘으로 자기를 위하여. 그는 혼자 힘으로 그 일을 했다.
He did it for himself.
He did it for himself.
In itself. Essentially.
본래 그 자체로는 돈 버는 것 자체만으로 악한 것은 아니다.
Making money is not evil in itself.
Making money is not evil in itself.
Hear of. Have knowledge of somebody.
소문을 듣다. 나는 작년부터 그에 대해 들은 적이 없다.
I have never heard of him since last year.
I have never heard of him since last year.
Let off. Fire.
발사하다. 아이들이 불꽃을 발사하고 있다.
The boys are letting off fireworks.
The boys are letting off fireworks.
Be alive to. Be sensitive to.
뭐뭐에 민감하다. 동물은 소리에 민감하다.
Animals are sensitive to sound.
Animals are sensitive to sound.
Be alive with. Be crowded with.
뭐뭐가 떼지어 있다. 홀은 아름다운 소녀들로 가득 차 있었다.
The hall was alive with beautiful girls.
The hall was alive with beautiful girls.
Do more harm than good. Do more harm than good.
도움보다는 해가 되다. 그것은 그들에게 도움보다는 해가 되었다.
It did them more harm than good.
It did them more harm than good.
As a rule. Mostly, generally.
대개 일반적으로. 일반적으로 대부분의 중국인들은 포크를 사용하지 않는다.
As a rule, most Chinese don't use forks.
As a rule, most Chinese don't use forks.
As for. As for.
뭐뭐에 대해서는 나로서는 그들의 결정에 만족한다.
As for me, I'm satisfied with their decision.
As for me, I'm satisfied with their decision.
Be empty of. Be vacant of.
무엇이 없다. 그 방에는 가구가 없었다.
The room was empty of furniture.
The room was empty of furniture.
Altogether. As a whole, as a complete thing.
총괄하여 전체적으로. 이곳의 경제 상황은 전체적으로 좋지 않다.
The economic situation here is not so good, altogether.
The economic situation here is not so good, altogether.
Be certain of. Be sure of, Be convinced of.
무엇을 확신하다. 그는 자기의 성공을 확신하고 있다.
He is certain of his success.
He is certain of his success.
Be certain to. Be sure to. Be bound to.
반드시 뭐뭐하게 되어 있다. 그녀는 반드시 성공하게 되어 있다.
She is certain to succeed.
She is certain to succeed.
Be compelled to. Be forced to.
뭐뭐하지 않을 수 없다. 그들은 고향을 떠나야 할 것이다.
They will be compelled to leave their hometown.
They will be compelled to leave their hometown.
A lack of. Short of.
무엇의 부족 결핍. 그들은 연료가 부족하다.
They have a lack of fuel.
They have a lack of fuel.